They say the bathroom is the most underrated room in the house. But to me, it's sacred ground. It's where I gear up for battles I didn't know I was fighting, where I hum songs I pretend not to like, where I've had full-blown conversations with myself, and occasionally won arguments that never even happened. Then one dull Tuesday morning, as I stared at my toothpaste-splattered mirror, something whispered inside me, "This place deserves more." And just like that, it hit me, like a lightning bolt wrapped in vines. A jungle. In my bathroom. Why not? It already had what plants love most, humidity. All it needed was a bit of heart and a whole lot of green. Step 1. The vision. Tarzan, but make it chic. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture brushing your teeth surrounded by a curtain of leaves. The sharp scent of mint, battling the earthy aroma of ferns. A cheeky vine draping from your showerhead like it's flirting with you. That was the vision. Of course, a jungle isn't built in a day, so I rolled up my sleeves, hit play on a playlist called Rainforest Warrior, and got to work. Step 2. The plant cast. Divers of the steam. Picking plants for a bathroom jungle is like casting a movie. Not everyone's cut out for the role. Some wilt at the first sign of shade. Others thrive in glorious chaos. Here's who made the cut. Boston fern, the jungle's luscious mane. Loves steamy showers and never complains. Philodendron, the quiet poet. Grows slowly, but every leaf feels like a love letter. Spider plant, the party animal. Swings from the ceiling like it's crowd surfing in a leaf rave. Pothos, the rebellious teen, climbs everything, respects no boundaries, and still looks fabulous. Peace lily, the Zen master, low maintenance, eternally calm, and blooms like it's in deep meditation. I brought them home like a proud parent collecting stars for a botanical show. Step 3, Jungle Engineering 101. You think jungles are wild and unruly? Think again. They're strategic, layered, poetic. So I studied my humble terrain. Light, indirect and moody, like a French film. Perfect. Space? Tight, but creativity thrives in small spaces. Humidity? Off the charts. My post-shower fog could raise tadpoles. I went vertical. Hanging planters from the ceiling. Floating shelves above the toilet. Suction cup pots stuck to the tiles. Even a corner ladder with trailing vines flowing like green waterfalls. Each plant had a role, a purpose, a place. I wasn't decorating, I was curating a living, breathing ecosystem. Step 4, the ritual of care and occasional whispering. Every jungle needs a guardian. That's me now, the plant whisperer. I missed them each morning like jungle rain, spritzing with theatrical flair. I check the soil like I'm reading fortunes in coffee grounds. Sometimes I whisper compliments. Look at you, those new leaves are stunning. Do they understand? Probably not. Do they respond? Absolutely, by exploding into greenery. And once a week, I play soft rainforest sounds. Not just for them, for me. Because nothing beats a bubble bath under a leafy canopy, listening to frogs I'll never meet, and birds who don't pay rent. Step 5. Transformation achieved. From bathroom to rainforest temple. A month later, my bathroom was unrecognizable. What used to be a sterile, lonely white cube became a lush retreat. A temple of oxygen. Every corner brimmed with life. Every shower felt like a tropical rainstorm in the heart of the Amazon. And me? I changed too. I breathe slower. Smile more. Sometimes I pretend I'm in a nature documentary while brushing my teeth. Here, we observe the elusive Humanus relaxus, coexisting peacefully with tropical flora. You don't need acres of land or a fancy greenhouse to bring the wild into your world. All it takes is a bathroom, a few humidity-loving plants, and a little spark of imagination. Turn your soap dish into a shrine. Let vines flirt with your mirror. Let your shampoo share shelf space with a leafy entourage. And remember, your jungle, your rules. Just don't forget to water your heart while you water your plants. Now if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a fern. The steam is rising. The jungle is calling.